In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date format in Google Sheets. If your dates in Google Sheets don't look the way you want, the good news is that it's very easy to fix. Google Sheets lets you quickly switch to a standard date format, and if you want more control, you can also create a custom date style that matches exactly how you want the day, month, and year to appear. To begin, select the cells that contain your dates. Make sure you highlight the exact range you want to update. This is helpful if you want one part of your sheet to use one date style and another part to use something different. Once your cells are selected, go to the top menu bar and click Format. From there, hover over Number, then click Date. This will apply Google Sheets standard date formatting to the selected cells. If your dates were previously showing in a different style, this is the quickest way to make them look clean and consistent. If you want a more specific date format, start again by making sure your cells are selected. Then go to Format. Choose Number, scroll down, and click Custom Date and Time. This opens a formatting window where you can choose how your dates should be displayed. Inside this menu, you'll see a list of preset date formats. These are useful if you want a fast option without having to build the format yourself. For example, you may prefer a version with the month first or one that shows the full year more clearly. Simply click the preset that matches the style you want. If none of the presets are exactly right, you can adjust the format manually using the arrow controls inside the text box. This allows you to customize how the day, months, and year appear. For instance, you can add leading zeros, switch between numeric months and abbreviations, or change the order of the date elements. This is especially useful if you are formatting dates for reports, shared spreadsheets, or regional preferences. After you've chosen or adjusted the format you want, click Apply. Your selected cells will immediately update to the new date style. That's all it takes to change date format in Google Sheets. Whether you use the standard date option or a custom format, it's a simple way to make your spreadsheet easier to read and more professional. Thanks for watching.